Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this text effect on your own device using PS Touch and PixelLab. So without any further ado, let's jump to it and get started. And now with the letters that are angled as letter A, I'm going to use the polygon selection tool, as you can see over here. Using polygon selection tool, you can easily create any selection that is angled with any degree you want, just like that. And after that, just do the same, head over to the gradient and just align it with the letter A. That's a bit much. Yeah, that was fine. And for the rest of the letter A, I'm going to use the marquee selection tool because I need a straight selection over here, just like that. Alright, and I'm going to do the same over here. Hit over to gradient, and from here I'm going to reverse the gradient and just simply align it. For the letters which are rounded as letter O, I'm going to use a completely different technique. For that, choose the text layer, select pixels, and head over to the marker selection tool and choose the subtract selection, and deselect all other layers except the letter you want, that is letter O this time. Just like that, I'm going to deselect all these letters except letter O. Alright, and now just deactivate the subtract selection and simply move the selection to this position, just like that. Alright, and I'm going to fill inside of the selection, just like that. Alright, and now just do the exact same which we did with the other letters. Head over the gradient and simply align it with the letter O, just like that. And I'm also going to do the same with the other side. Just simply move the selection over this side, and now head over to gradient, and at last just reverse it and align it. And I'm going to do the same with the letter C and S. Alright, and at last I'm going to choose the text layer, and from there select pixels and choose back the shadow layer and simply extract it to make it only visible where the text is visible, just like that. And now I'm going to simply duplicate the shadow layer to make it more darker. Yeah, that looks much better, as you can see over here. That makes a huge difference. And now I'm going to simply merge the text and the shadow layers, just like that. Alright, and tap on the move icon and tap on hold over here and drag it to the right side, and I'm going to about 10 degrees. Yeah, that looks fine. And just simply tap on the take bar, and we are done over here. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and also comment down your opinion, and also don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.